the Lord went to Gideon to defeat the Midianites, and it truly was true that he defeated them. Because the Lord told Gideon to listen to one of the Midianites explain a dream. So this dream was that a loaf went to the Midianites' camp and tumbled down all the tents. Then the friend said that it can only mean that Gideon will come to us and defeat us because the Lord God is with them.
Amazing, amazing. Clap for Kyla. Msikilizaji wetu ambao uko hapo nyumbani unaendelea na shughuli ndogo ndogo kwa wale tuliozungumza nao last week, like tunatakiwa kuwasaidia wazazi usikae tu nyumbani weekend afu na TV na wewe. Please osha vyombo, piga deki, kazi zote sio za dada tu, hata sisi tunafaa kujifunza ili tukue vizuri. Haleluya.